Do you know how Faber-Castell highlighter is made? The production process begins with the injection molding. Manufacturing the body of the highlighter using automatic machine. Mixing the ink into large mixers and processing the ink. Now, printing the logo using the automatic printing machine. After that, inserting the ink reservoir into the highlighter. The automatic machine install end cap and filling the ink into the highlighter. Now installing the tip and clip using automatic machine. The highlighter is sent for packaging. Highlighter passes through various quality control tests. Finally, it is ready to highlight.